My friends, Coach Vigue, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Let's get outside and train. Fresh air, blue skies. This is a powerful body weight only core full body workout with some stretches thrown in. Homemade capris are on. Today's random question is, what is your favorite animated Disney movie of all time? Random question, comment below, we have to know. That includes Pixar if you want to throw that in there. It's getting crazy here. And subscribe and click the notification bell to never ever miss one of these workouts. All right, so powerful core, breathing in the nose and out the mouth. Let's create a powerful, flexible, adaptable body we can take anywhere and do anything. Are you ready? Tuck in the shirt, starting with bird dog. Form and flow, outside, elevating everything. Inhale, opposite arm, opposite leg, working opposites. Quite a few times in this workout. Inhale, exhale, in the nose, out the mouth. That's classic Pilates breath. We like to embrace for an efficient, powerful way to breathe. Parallel with the ground, you want to go a little more advanced, hands in front of the shoulders. Remember, anytime you can modify and always use control. It's up to you. We're balancing out the core. We're creating a nice strategic focus in the mind and in the body. Take the knees a little further back. Look at this. Always turning it up a little bit, forcing your body to adapt in real time, which I believe is the essence of health and fitness, adapting in real time. Let's do 10 more, a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blood flowing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Press it back, child's pose for a quick stretch. Always elongate the spine, stretch out the back, sway side to side. Little U dips here. Good, healthy spine, healthy body. Keep the body pliable, keep it open. Ready for anything. All right, bring it down onto your backs. Cross the ankle, roll down with control. Shoulder bridge, inhale, wait, okay. That was Swedish. Inhale, tuck the pelvis and lift up. We have the shoulder bridge right here. You can keep it right here. If you want to add some movement, extend that right leg. We inhale, lift, flex, pull it down, matching the other leg. Another classic. Well, they're all classics. This is a Pilates-based move, an original Joseph Pilates. Just drove it off the lot. Inhale up, exhale down. Lengthen as you pull down. Feel that stretch. We're always elongating the body. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2. Stay lifted. 3. Wait, 4. I got a little sloppy there. Sorry about that. 5. Now other side. Extend when you're ready. Go. It's all body weight, so you're working within your own gym here. And pull. Let's do 5 more. Slow it down a bit, Sean. You got excited. You have to temper that passion with the reality. Passion can be good, but you got to balance it out. You have to be sustainable with it. There's something biting my foot. I'm going to keep going. Boom. Okay. Drop those legs back and forth. There are little ants around here. Sometimes don't like what I'm doing. Direct competition. Back and forth. Sides are loose. Extend the top leg out. Head up or down. I'm going to keep it up just for my own safety. And we're here, the same family as the bird dog. We're going to do the dead bug. So right knee in, left leg out, left arm out, right leg. See this? It just matches. Boom. Arm and leg go out. Lower back is imprinted into the floor. Head can be down or off the mat. Inhale, exhale. Got the ducks out there. They never seem to move. I wonder why. In through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Balance. That beautiful word, balance. It can always, or it remains a mystery to so many of us. What is balance? It's a great word to say, but to put it into motion. Sorry, I'm moving off. There's a little sharp spot there. All the perks of filming outside. All right, 10 more, a little faster. 1, 2, 3. Feel that? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, once again, feet flat, lifting up. We have the bridge. You can hold that or add the reach. Sun and sweat in the eyes. We reach the arm up and over. Nice big mobility stretch, and then down slightly, and then other side. So you're reaching across. There we go. You can go even further if you like. I'm sliding on the mat from the sweat and the sunscreen. Inhale, exhale. There we are. Love anything that opens up the anterior portion of the body, stretches the front. Definitely underutilized in a lot of training. And I hit the gym yesterday, so I'm feeling a little tightness, a little DOMS. It's good. So coming out here and getting the blood flowing, getting the movement going, great for the healing. One more time each side. Ooh, definitely feel that. Again, windshield wipers, back and forth. Top leg out if you wish. Keep the movement, keep the rhythm, keep the breath. Nice and itchy. Oh, I got one more really fun one down here before we repeat the bug one more time. Slow advanced single leg stretch, a variation on a Pilates exercise. Right leg up, left leg out. What are we doing? Oh yes. Now we're gonna release this leg. It's gonna connect with the other one. Exhale, other one comes in, pull. Nice big stretch. Inhale, exhale. If you wanna modify it, you could bend the knees. You could just pull right up here too, if you like, doing a scissors. All right, I like to show those. Sometimes you get a grumpy person. It's like, I can't do that. Well, modify it or practice, practice, practice. I mean, I feel like the Incredible Hulk with these capris on here. Little Lou Ferrigno action. Is your lower back down. Exhale, inhale. So we're getting all this core blasting and strengthening and the flexibility in the backs of the leg, into the glutes, into the calves. You could flex the foot. If you have not done Pilates before, stay with me, stay with this channel, stay with my books and everything else, because I teach a lot of it and I intertwine it into everything else that I do. Okay, gonna sleep well tonight. One more time each side. And we're gonna go right into our dead bug, our old friend. The toughest, there we go. Toughest part is getting that rhythm. Once we have it, we don't let go. Good, the eyes are focused, the breath is strong, the mind is positive, it's powerful. And my leg itches from that red ant. That damn red ant. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, my friends, let's come on up. We have, walkouts. Definitely looking forward to this one. I'm gonna switch the cap. Come to the back edge of your mat. Full body movement. Tuck the chin, soften the knees, and dive down. Find your level, that's fine. Walk it out. Take the hands under the shoulders or hands in front. We have an extended plank or a plank. Hold for a couple breaths. I'm at war with the ants. And walk it back. Smush the heels down. Stack the spine as we come up, one vertebrae at a time. Lift, lift, lift. Shoulders back and down. Again, diving down. Unwind the spine. You might not be used to doing such big mobility and flexibility movements in your core abs workouts, but it's good. It's a beautiful combo. It all goes together to enhance your body's ability to move. Walk it back. Stack, stack, stack. Nice alignment in the shoulders. 2 more. Smooth it out. Nice flowing movement. Lots of breath. Energize. Walk it back. kind man. One more time. You sarasap. There we go. I've been quoting Arnold this morning, and right now is no exception. Somehow Predator popped into my head. Good. One more time. Walk it back. Smooth like a ninja. Tuck the chin, and let's stack, stack, stack. Whoa. Too much stacking. Shoulders back. One more time. Shoulder roll. We're going to come down into the breaststroke. So let's do it the proper way. Flow it down. Dive down. Back is feeling looser, hopefully. That's the goal. And we lower all the way down to the mat, to the ants. The breaststroke, arms to the sides. Lift up. Now inhale, reach forward, open the legs. Exhale, arms pull all the way back to the sides. Pilates. Inhale, exhale. In the nose, out the mouth. Feel it out. Let that movement take you to another level. Because if you can do stuff like this, imagine all the other things that you can do. There we go. I was doing my nose breathing. That's all right. I'm the instructor. Let's do 5 more. And 2. Pliability in the back. 3. Extend. Extend and lift. One more time. We lift up. We lift up. A little higher. Okay, press it back. Child's pose. Just about there. Sway side to side. Feel the energy levels boost. The blood flow is off the charts. The mind is humming away. Excited for the possibilities of this workout and beyond. Forearm plank. I like to look around. It's so pretty. I like bodies of water. Forearm plank, knees down to modify. Hands together or parallel with the arms, your choice. I like to do a little rocking. Focus on the breath, in the nose, out the mouth. On the exhales, flex those abs, tighten them up. Keep it going. Let the sweat fall. I love to sweat. Definitely a cleanse, very natural. As long as you replenish that sweat with liquids. Let's do 10 more breaths. Let the sweat just come. Oh, I love that. Mixing with my sunscreen. Creating a paste. Helicopter. 3 more breaths. I can hear some of you cursing at me, at Coach Vigue. No, it cannot be. All right. Ooh. Yes, one more little series here on your back. Few shoulder rolls. Wipe the sweat. Flick it at the ducks. Are they real or not? That is the greatest mystery of all. No ducks ever go in and no ducks ever come out. Crisscross. Let's slow it down. Right leg, right angle, left leg out. Fingers back at that. Lift chest towards this knee. Inhale, exhale. A slow crisscross. We have a right angle here, or to the best of my ability. So it makes your abs lift a little bit more, work a little harder. That's what we want, right? Always want to keep adding a little bit so your body never falls backwards. It's always getting a little stronger. Then after a few weeks or months, it's an amazing, massive improvement of strength. Still waters. Grind it out. Keep your upper body lifted. You can also extend the legs, arms up. Fun little variations using physics and geometry to increase the workload on your core, your abdominals and low back, hips and glutes. All right, let's reverse that crisscross. Right knee in, left leg out, elbow to the leg. You can bring the knee in a little closer if you like. Could also extend the legs. What am I doing? Woohoo! Now I have to keep doing it. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grind it out. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. Drop those legs side to side with a big, yes. Keep thinking about your favorite Disney animated film. I'm sure we're thinking about Snow White while we're doing this, aren't we? Boom. All right. Extend. Extend. Beautiful work, my friends. Let us know below your favorite Disney movie, Pixar included. I'm going to say Pinocchio. Pinocchio still scares the heck out of me. The hell out of me. I can say hell. Love that movie. Very, very unique. Classic. And hit that subscribe button. Click the notification bell to never miss a workout from me, Coach Vigue. And if this workout helped, please hit that like button. I sound like my son. Got excited there. Open up the shoulders. And to take your training to the next level, I also have this portable on-the-go manual just for you.